Hi, welcome, bienvenidos. It's your girl Yessie, and I'm back with another video. For today's video, I'm going to be doing a look using the Tarte Maneater After Dark eyeshadow palette, which looks like this. Now, I believe this is a holiday eyeshadow palette from Tarte. And I haven't tried anything from them in a very long time, and I do remember using like the Tartelette 2, I think Full and Bloom, and then the pink one. So, and they were all faves. So yeah, I'm excited to give this a try. So if you're interested, then keep on watching. Alrighty, amigas. So like I mentioned in my introduction, I'm going to be playing with this eyeshadow palette, which I am so excited. And yes, this is the Maneater After Dark eyeshadow palette, which looks like this. This is the outer packaging. This is the back where it gives you details of the eyeshadows. And then this is the eyeshadow palette right here. It has this really pretty leopard print. How stunning is that? Very pretty. And then back here it has like the gold, which you can see your fingerprints on it. So now when we open this up, it has this sleeve that has Maneater. And this is what it looks like. Ooh, it has a really nice full-size mirror, which is fabulous. We love that. So you can see. And then these are the eyeshadows right here. How stunning. This is such a beautiful palette to transition from summer to fall. Am I right? But yeah, this is what the eyeshadows look like, and I'm really excited to, play with them and create a look. So, alrighty, let me just pull my hair back. Alrighty, so first off, what I have on my face is, well, so far what I have done is my eyebrows, and I prime my lids. I outlined my eyebrows with the Anastasia Brow Wiz in Ebony, and then I filled them in with the Dual Powder in Ebony as well. Then I carved out my eyebrows and primed my lids with the MAC Paint Pot in Soft Ochre, and then I lightly set that with my translucent powder. So that's all I have going on right now on the eyes, and now we're going to jump in with the palette. So first off, I'm going to grab this Playful color right here, and I'm going to use it for the brow bone. And also with the palette, it doesn't go any farther than that. So, just thought I'd let you know. So I'm going to grab my jumbo size shader brush, as always. I'm going to use this with the color Playful, and I'm going to apply that to my brow bone and to the entire lid actually. Alrighty, so now I'm going to grab a blending brush. I am going to grab the Morphe x Ariel brush. This is in the 811. This is just a blending brush. And I am going to go into the color, let's see, Desire, which is this orangey, this yellow color right here, which is Desire. And I'm gonna use that color for the crease. So right off the bat, the eyeshadows are not as pigmented, but Tarte is usually very beginner friendly, which is good. because you don't want to go in with something super dark. You know, you want to build your colors. So this actually is not that bad. I know some other palettes that are like really sheer when you start off. This is not. This actually has, you know, not the most pigment, but it has some pigment, obviously. And then you can build up to the intensity of however you want your eyeshadow. So I'm just building it up, get it to a rich yellow color. Alright, now I'm going to go into the color Mischievous. Yeah, which is this orangey shade right here. And I'm going to apply that to the outer corner. So this part of the eyelid, and I'm going to grab the Sedona Lace EB09. So this is like a tapered blending brush, as you can see. And again, I'm going to grab the color Mischievous and add it to the outer corner. So like right here. This is a nice orangey color. Really pretty. These are super easy to blend. And I'm going to go back in with the blending brush that we used, that yellow color, Desire. And I'm just going to go over this edge here to make sure they're blended out seamlessly. Okay. Alright, so now I think I'm going to go in with glitter glue or something of that sort. Let me just check here. Alright, so I'm going to grab my Pat McGrath Labs Intensify Artistry wand, which is this right here. And I'm going to make it go up. I'm going to apply this to the this empty space on the lid. Drag it all over, and I'm gonna apply a good amount of this because I want to go in with two shimmers that are calling my name. Now don't worry if it doesn't look if it looks a little messy. In the beginning we're gonna blend it out. So I'm gonna grab my Sedona Lace 305, which is a shader brush, just very flat. And this is what I'm going to grab my shimmer. The first shimmer we're going to go into is Heated, which is this one right here. I'm going to grab that, and I'm going to, it picked up nicely, and I'm going to just apply it right here. We're going to apply it all over the middle. Oh wow, that's really intense. Then I'm going to turn it around and go into Sundown, which is right next to it, which is this color, this shade right here. So let's see. I'm going to grab Sundown and apply it in this inner part right here. Okay, this didn't grab as nice as I wanted to. So I might have to go in with my finger, but look at that. This is Sundown and this is Desire. Sundown, Desire. Wait, no. Yeah. Sundown, Desire. How pretty are those two shimmers? Beautiful, right? Just look at that. Look at that intensity. That's beautiful. Alright, so now I'm going to go in with the color Mischievous, which was that orangey color that we used in the outer part, and I'm gonna add a little bit more to this outer corner, and also to blend that shimmer as well. And now I'm gonna grab the blending brush we used in our crease with no additional product, and I'm just gonna blend to make sure it's a nice easy blend. Alright, so now I'm gonna do this eye and then I'll be right back. Alrighty, so this is what it looks like with both eyes semi-done. I'm gonna jump off camera and I'm going to finish the rest of my face, and then I'll come back so you can see the entire look, and then I'll give you my thoughts on this palette. Well, my first impressions. So stay tuned. And I'm back. So this is the final look. What do you guys think? So I basically, let's see what colors I use. The same two colors that I used in the crease and the outer corner, which was Desire and Mischievous, I used in the bottom lash line. And yeah, this is what I came up with. So far, I am very impressed with Tarte. I don't remember the metallics being this intense in the previous eyeshadow palettes, which now I'm curious because I'm gonna go into my collection, pull them out, and you know, do some swatches, because yeah, I don't remember, you know, the shimmers being like metallic basically, because these two colors that I have on the eyes right now are metallic. They're beautiful, and it makes me excited to try the rest of the eyeshadows. So be prepared, because I'm definitely going to be doing maybe 2 or 3 looks. I definitely want to use the green, you know, to transition into fall. I want to try the pinks because, you know, I love my pinks. So yeah, more looks to come, but so far I gotta say I'm very impressed with Tarte's formula. I really am. And this palette it's a perfect transition from summer to fall, just because it has the yellow tones, the orange tones, it has that green in there, you know, the pinks. So, and you know, it's like, for me, the fall colors are basically like the leaves changing, you know, how they change from green to yellow, orange, and you know. So yeah, I'm really impressed with the palette. More looks to come, you know, I'm intrigued. So yeah, I really hope you enjoyed the look that I was able to come up with using the palette. So yeah, that's all for me today. I hope you're having a great day wherever you are, and as always, I'll catch you on the next one. Bye.